Hi friends, a very happy day to all. Let's make our day happy by doing the things we like. And this being the Christmas season, I'm going to show you how to make a hollyberry branch. These berries comes in bright red color and look so attractive in all our Christmas decorations. We can make use of these branches in our Christmas tree, garland, even swag, and even we can make a nice beautiful wreath. Here I am making use of two shades of green color paper, a darker and lighter shade, and red color beads. You will need a thick string and a thin string, a flexible string too. Now let's make the berries. First, take the flexible string and then cut it out. You can make as many berries you want. If you don't have a red color bead, you can make use of any colored bead and paint it red. Now take the string and bend the tip of it. Then insert the bead into it and pull it tight. See, just watch how I'm doing. The bead doesn't fall out, it fixes well. To be on the safer side, you can also apply glue to it. Let's repeat the same and make more of these berries as much as we want. Now I am taking a nail polish and I am going to paint the center of each bead where the string is protruding in black. Once all the beads are done, let's tie them together in bunches of 5, 3 or 4 with the floral tape. Now all our berries are ready. Now let's do the leaves. For this, let's take two color shades of green and cut them into 10 into 6 cm each. Now take the dark green paper and fold it into half and cut it into the shape of a leaf. Just watch how I am doing. Now apply glue in the center and you stick the floral string. Then apply glue all over the leaf and stick it on the lighter shade paper. Just like this. Now we are going to do the same with other leaves. Once the glue dries, we are going to cut it out to the margin of the leaf. Cut in such a way that we have the lighter green shade as a margin of the leaf. See, I have made lots of leaves. I will show you how to arrange these leaves and berries on the stalk. These leaves have shiny glaze on them. For that, I am mixing Fevicol in water and I am going to brush it on top of the leaves. They give a nice shiny appearance. Leave them to dry. Now all our leaves are ready. Once they are dry, you take the leaves and you draw the veins on them. Now let's arrange the leaves and the berries on a thick branch. Okay, for that you take a thicker floral string and attach the leaf on the tip. The leaves should be arranged in an alternate manner. I am using the floral tape to attach the leaf on the branch. Just watch how I am doing it. Now let's attach the berries to it. Here in this branch I have used lots of leaves and the berries the center. Actually, when we go to shop to buy these hollyberry branches, they are too costly. They come with few leaves and only few berries. When we do it, we can do as we feel and as we like. We can add on more berries and more leaves, or few berries and few leaves. The one which we make only will look so beautiful, attractive and natural. So please try to do it and let your Christmas decoration be your own creation. You will surely love it. See how beautiful they look. You can insert it in all your Christmas decorations. Now I am going to do another small branch with the berries first and with few leaves only. Keep watching. You can make use of these attractive branches in all your Christmas decor. You can make a beautiful wreath out of it. You can put them in your swag, in your garland, even in your Christmas tree. They will look lovely. Later in my upcoming videos, I will show you how I made use of these in my Christmas decor. So please stay tuned. Follow us in our Instagram page too. When you have tried making one, please do post it in our Instagram page. I have shared my link below. Now I am making a small branch with 3 leaves. You can make many of these and make use of it in your Christmas decoration wherever you please. Wow, this one is too simple and nice. Let's make it. Enjoy decorating. Fill your house with your own creation. Stay happy and stay blessed. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Have a nice day.